guys. Bye, ciao ciao. Bon, on va continuer parce que de toute manière ça sert à rien. On va sortir de cette ville, on va se casser d'ici et on va on va bien trouver la vie. I'm struggling with this GPS which is not working at all. I've charged it, I put it on charge, I put the second cable and it's still I am trying to leave Sucre and think we're not going as I wanted because my GPS was not switching on. I'm a bit not really happy with this tool, honestly, because when it has 10% battery it switches off and you cannot switch it on. I think 10% battery should be enough to work and stay on, and with this tool doesn't work. So I had to wait, I had to turn in the town without knowing where I was going to have enough battery to use the map. So I need to charge it before I leave. And it's not supposed to work like that. I was quite happy in the beginning, but more and more I realized that it's the battery system is not working really properly. It's quite fragile. So now I found my way. I don't even know how exactly. I managed to find my way to leave Sucre. I didn't want to leave because the hostel was really cool. But I'm going to another place. I think tonight I'll be, for this afternoon I'm gonna be in Aiquile. It's just a small town where I will spend one night, and then I'm gonna move to another place called Samaipata. That's quite a work with this dinosaur, and now the mountain is cut. I think the road to go to Samaipata, and the first part I'm gonna do today is turning all the time, which is pretty cool. Hola. Hola. Perdona. No hablo español, un poquito. Sí. ¿Sí o qué? Ok, gracias. Chao, chao. A friend of mine told me you should stop saying no hablo español un poquito. But when you have a cop in front of you and you say that with a big smile, I think it helps. So he wanted maybe to check my passport or something, and when he realized that I was not speaking Spanish, he just told me, okay, go. Just to have a look, this is the top mountains around Sucre. I came from this place here, big cemetery. I don't know what is this. This big factory of something. And Sucre is behind the main town, and the main town is behind. I think now I understand why, when you check on Google Maps, the distances between Sucre and Samaipata is not that long. It's only 364 kilometers, something like that. But the road is turning non-stop, so it says that it should take you like more than 7 hours. Now I think I understand why, but for me, on a motorbike, it is absolutely heaven. It's absolute heaven. I love it. I am living my best life on my bike right now. Pretty cool. Having a lot of fun with this guy. Speeding a bit too much maybe, because almost slided before. But it's cool. I mean, he's driving quite well and speeding, so we're making a kind of little race together. Wow. Oh, that's another level of racing. Not sure it's really the best thing to do, to race with a local. But yeah, I'm a biker. And I'm fully loaded all my life on this motorbike. So that's cool. It's getting warmer and warmer. Actually, it's getting hot, and this place make me think about south of France, more or less the same kind of landscape, more or less the same kind of vegetation, and yeah, could be behind Nice and this little mountains that I know quite well. Despite the fact that there are really beautiful places here. Yeah, really good. Quite beautiful river. Arriving in Aiquile, and I'm just looking for a hotel for one night. I'm gonna show you something because I just arrived in this place. I'm in this little town called Aiquile. I'm heading to Samaipata, and I had to stop there because there was no room in Samaipata for me tonight. So I've booked something for tomorrow morning already, because apparently Samaipata is a place where there's a lot of tourists and a lot of people from Santa Cruz. Wow. So I'm gonna show you this is why I'm going a little bit back. What I'm gonna show you now, they have in this place a couple of birds, and when I mean birds, quite big birds. They're really big, and I'm not really comfortable with these birds. They're really tall. I mean, they're taller than I. And here is a beautiful peacock. So I think of the black one. He told me to be very careful with the black one, to just keep the distance, because it kicks. So I don't know if it's a he or a she. I don't know which one is the male. Yeah, they're really huge birds. He's really close to me, and he's really not afraid, and neither I am. But with the ostriches, it's a bit different, to be honest. And the guy showed me something just right here. I'm gonna show you guys. These are the eggs, which are very heavy. It's the first time I have an ostrich egg in my hand. It's pretty heavy. So I think you can do big omelets with that. Gonna put it back here. And he's very curious because he's really coming close to me, like it's half a meter. But I think he is used to have human around all the time because he's living here. Hello. You're very curious, are you? Oh, they really follow me everywhere. It's amazing.
Ah, nice. Princesa, ven. Toma, ven.
Pudillo gua. Pudillo gua. Pudillo. Puja.
Whoa.
Yo puja mi.
Like this.
Esto yo puja mi. Yo puja mi. Yo no niña. Yo puja mi.
Mucho molesto. Dale más, chico. Más, acercale. Tu mano estirada más. Más a ella, pues. Dale más a ella, pues, hijo, a su cabeza. Muy arriba. Más abajo. Más abajo, sí, eso, así, más. Más bajar. Eso, así. Ay. Ahí ya está, ¿ve?